Hello friends, so we are solving the weekly contest 456. This is the very first question. So what is happening here is given a string S and partition into unique segments according to the following procedure. So let me directly go here and will explain what we are supposed to do is. So suppose this is our string, and basically we have to find all the unique substrings, but there are certain rules in the question given. So once we are starting at any index, okay, then we have to start building the segment beginning at index 0 and continue extending the current segment character by character until current segment has not seen before. Okay, so means if we are traversing from 0, we have to keep on going until a substring is not seen. Okay, if it is seen, then we have to go for next character. We have to basically start from the next character. And third one is, once the segment is unique, add it to your list of segment and mark it seen, and repeat until we are reaching till end. So we have to return the array of string segments where segment I is the ith segment. So in the sequence we have to return. So let's do here. So we are start index is 0, and then and we are I is the another iterator index. We are starting from 0. So see here in the substring, how do we find the substring? We find the substring as we like this, that whatever is the start point S, and at whatever index I we want to check, we have to put here I plus 1, because this second thing is the exclusive index. Okay, so using this formula we will keep on finding. So first of all, at start 0, so it would be 0 and I plus 1 is 1. So what would be the substring here? So at 0 and ending at 0, this is basically, so A is the string. So A is not seen yet. So let's say we have a set. So initially this set is empty. So A is not seen in the set. So we can add this A into our list. Okay, so we found one substring which is not seen, and we can add this into the set also, so that we can next time we will keep on track that who all are already visited. Now whenever a not seen substring is found, we have to increase this start by I plus 1, whatever is I value plus 1. Okay, because till I we have already found a string. So this time I plus 1, so this will become 1. Now we will increase this I by 1. Okay, so again we will put this formula here. So what is the start here? Start is 1 and I plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1, right? So it would be 2. So what is there at 1 and 2? So this is second part is exclusive, second index. So this is A only, right? B only, right? They are starting at 1 and ending at 2. This is so 1 and 1. So this is 2. So at B, is the B seen before? No. In set we don't have a B. So let's add B also, and we will add it here as well, because it is not seen before. So now also what we will do, our start would become what? I plus 1. So it would become now 2. Now we will increase I by 1. So I would become now 2. So what would be the substring now? So it would be 2 and 3, right? 2 and I plus 1. 2 and 3. What is there in 2 and 3? It is B again. But B is already seen here, right? B is already there. So we will not add it. So what we will do? We will increase this I by 1. So now I would become 3. Remember this time start I haven't changed start. Start is still 2. So what would be the new value? So start is 2 and I is what? So I is 3 plus 1. It is 4, right? So what would be the substring at 2 and 4? So we are starting at here, and 4 is at here. So it would be exclusive. So we are seeing here this is BC. So does BC is there? No, BC is not there. So we will add BC to the set, as well as we will add this BC here also. Okay, this time, because whenever a never seen string occurs, at that time we change the start. So start would become now what? Whatever is the I value plus 1. So this would become now 4, right? Now we will increase our I by 1. So I would become now 4, right? So what would be the value at start and I plus 1? So 4 and 5. 4, 5. What is that value? So at 4, 5, it is C only, right? So C is coming first time. So we will add this C here, and also we will add this C here. And what we'll do? We'll increase the start by whatever is the I plus 1. So 4 plus 1. This would become now 5, right? So what would be the substring now? At 4, so we will increase by my I by 1. So this will become 5. I is, we are increasing by 1 only. Okay. Now what is happening at 5 and 5 plus 1, so 5 6, right? What is the string at there? So we are 0 1 2 3 4 5, 5 and 6. This is again C, but C is already visited, C is already there, right? So we will not add it here, but what we will do is we will increase our I by start by I plus 1, right? So let me remove these extra stuff. I am removing it. Okay, just bear me for a second. Yes, I have removed. And now what will be our I? So our start would be whatever is the I plus 1, so our start would become now 6. Okay, now we are coming, our I will be increased by 1. So what would be the value at 6 and 6 plus 1? 6 and 6 plus 1, so basically it is 7, right? This is at here 6 and 7, again this is a C, right? So C is already occurred, so we will not add it here, right? C is already occurred, so we will not touch start also, we will increase I by 1, so it would become now 6 7. So what would be the substring at 6 and 7 plus 1? 6 and 8. So 6 and 8, what is there? It is CC, right? And CC is occurred? No, CC is never occurred, so we will add CC here. Okay, now our I would become whatever is the start plus 1, so 7 plus 1, so our I would become now 8, right? Because we are making, whenever a never seen string occurred, we are making it I plus 1, so I was 7. Now we will increase I by 1, so this will become 8. So what is the substring at 8 and 8 plus 1? Basically at 9. It is D, right? So D is, did D ever occurred? No, D is never occurred. Oh, let me add the CC as well, because CC we forgot to add here. Yeah, so D never occurred, so we will add this D also here. Yeah, and D is also here. And now we are done. We don't have any other string, right? So A, B, B, C, 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 D, right? So let me show you my corresponding code here. So this is my code, you can see here. So see, first of all I have created an answer array list, and then I have created a hash set. I'm starting from 0 and index I is also 0. Now what we are doing here is we are basically using this while loop, that while I is less than s dot length, we are getting the substring just the way which we were getting a substring for all of them, like this, right? So same way we are getting the substring, and we are checking that if it is there in the hash set. If it is there, if it is not there, that means it is seen, it's never seen before. So we are adding it to hash set as well as into the our answer list, and we are making our start equal to I plus 1. Remember, this is I plus 1, not increased by 1. Okay, and if it is not, if it is already there, then we are keep on going, we are increasing only I, right? So finally our answer list would be having all the values. So let me execute this code. So I am running this code. Let me submit it. I have already submitted. Yeah, so it is accepted. So thank you for watching this video, and very soon I would be solving the next question. And if you guys have any concern, please make a comment over there.